Hi everybody, I'm here to show you how you can make this cute bag called the Simon Bucket bag. I will insert a picture here, and this bag is, I'm so proud of it, right? It is for obviously people that love to make bags, but it is a very simple bag, and so if you're new to sewing, it is perfect for you as well. And it is actually a free pattern that I put out on my website, lovelyforlife1.com. And on the site, you can go there to go to my freebie library and download the whole package or whole folder. What the folder includes: the instructions. It also includes the PDF pattern, and where you can lay out the pattern piece, print it on your home printer, lay out the pattern pieces, tape it together, or you can use your Cricut or your other cutting machine. I have included an SVG file which you can use on any of the cutting machines, Silhouette, Cricut. You could just upload it to your software and cut it through there. I also, for Cricut users, have included a Cricut project. So therefore you can go click on the project within the instructions, and it opens up Cricut Design Space, and you can automatically cut it from there. Now, this pattern, in the file you will see, or in the project and in the SVG you will see it's color coordinated. The instructions will actually tell you what pieces are what according to the color coding. So you will need a 24-inch mat if you are cutting it on the Cricut or the Silhouette. Any of the cutting machines, you will need a long mat, and you will need one appropriate for fabric. Now, this bag, it is designed for there to be a contrast bottom and or bottom piece, and the bottom, and also the very bottom is a contrast piece, and then also the handle connectors. However, and with the fabric top. However, you can mix and match and do it in different ways and make it your own. This case, I am using this beautiful, I can't wait, I actually really cannot wait to make this version. This beautiful fabric, and it's the Boscage collection. It is a quilting cotton, and so I've taken, I have two pieces from that collection. Don't you just love that? It's so pretty. So I'm going to do it with these two fabric pieces. That will make the bag a little bit slouchier. However, if you wanted to put, I am going to put some woven interfacing behind it. You can put a little bit of a heavier interfacing if you really wanted to kind of have a little bit more sturdy effect. That's up to you, but I do kind of like the slouchy look. So, and then you also need some handbag rings. These I purchased off Amazon. However, you can also purchase them in your local store. Here in the US, Joann's Fabrics does have them in the handbag section. They have some plastic ones and some wood ones, but Amazon is probably right now my favorite place because they have a lot of fun ones, like a wood one. It's like rattan looking, so a lot of interesting ones. I will link some Amazon like options on my blog post with this video in this blog post. So let's get started.
All right, go ahead and prep by doing your putting the interfacing on the back of the lining pieces. And then you will lay your top main piece face up and your contrast face down on top of that, lining up those bottom edges. You'll stitch along that bottom edge, open it, press it, and then you will top stitch that seam. It'll look just like this, except probably a little neater. Then you will fold those over short sides together and stitch that like this. And then you'll attach the bottom by pinning it around and carefully stitching that. And then you will fold your handle tabs into the middle and then over to the middle again, the long side. So it'll just be like this. You will top stitch the edges. Pin your bag or pin on the opposite side of that seam that you made. And then this is where you're going to put your contrast and your ring. And then on the other side, you'll put the contrast or the handle tab and the ring on the opposite side and over that seam allowance. You're going to repeat this step with the lining, short ends together, stitch those together, and sew on the round bottom. Make sure to keep an opening in your round bottom that's going to slip the handle through. And then you're going to put your bag right side out, slip over your lining, just like this, pin it together, and stitch that top edge. Fold, and then you're gonna berth the bag, is what they call it, and pull it outside, right side out, just like this. And there you go. Your bag is pretty much made. The only thing that you're gonna do left from there is you can top stitch that top edge if you'd like. Some people like that, some people don't, so it's entirely up to you. And voila, your bag is made. It is super easy, super sweet. It will be really fun for anybody in your life that loves like a cute little bag. Great for Christmas gifts and holiday gifts. So I hope you do enjoy this. Thank you so much. And again, you can find the free pattern on lovelyforlife1.com. And right now there's a blog posted. And if you scroll to the very bottom, after you read the blog post, I hope, scroll to the very bottom and you will see where you can sign up for the free library to get the free pattern. There's nothing like scary with it or anything like that. You are signed up for my newsletter, which I just completely just talk about sewing and all the great things about sewing. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed and enjoy your Simon Bucket bag. Excuse me. Bye bye.